Hey, North Node and Libra. First card I got for you is the Eight of Swords. This card has been popping out. So, being mentally trapped, overthinking, being lost in your thoughts. Nine of Wands. Yeah, somebody feels trapped and somebody feels trapped. Nine of Pentacles, 99. Nine of Wands, Nine of Pentacles. That could then 99. There's a change coming though, so you feel trapped, but there's the end to that cycle of feeling trapped and stuck is over with, or it's coming to completion. Because actually, the number 10 is the number of completion. The number 9 is like you're literally one notch from completing something. So, okay, could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody feels blocked financially. Two of Swords. Yeah, somebody just feels like they're at a crossroads. Somebody don't know what to do. King of Cups. Could be a water sign. Somebody also, I don't know. You could be about to go visit somebody in jail. One card flew out, the Hierophant. So I feel like something is being spiritually ordained. Something is spiritually orchestrated. Where you're dealing with a priest or somebody that's a spiritual leader in some way, or a teacher. Somebody that likes it. Somebody is a teacher of some sort. Could be as mundane as like a regular teacher or spiritual teacher. The Wheel of Fortune. You could be trying to get your fate. You could be going to a spiritual practitioner to change your to like cleanse anything trying to get in the way of your fate or anything like that. Like spiritual cleansing. Okay, Four of Wands. I feel like a new home is on the horizon. Knight of Wands. Two of Pentacles. There's a playboy that is juggling. The devil. Yep. This Knight of Wands is a playboy. He's a sex addict. He loves to have. He's just a hornball. Likes to stick his shit in every. Ooh, we got the Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Glad I caught that. He's a liar. He's a deceiver. Okay. This could be an ex. Somebody you're dealing with. Okay, we got the Queen of Cups. So I feel like you are in love with this person, but yeah, the lovers. You're in love with this person, but they're no good for you. Clearly. The Moon card. They're secretive, or this could be a secret relationship. Ten of Swords. Yeah, somebody is hurting in silence. Somebody is suffering in silence. Or this next moon cycle is going to complete a cycle. This I think it's the new moon in Aquarius. I think that's going to complete a cycle for you. A cycle of pain is coming to an end around this new moon in Aquarius. It's coming up in February 3rd, I think. Look it up. Don't take my word for it. Queen of Wands. Two of Cups. Yeah, this person got somebody else on the side. They're in love with somebody else. 22. Yeah, the number 22 could be in significance to you. But I know the number 22 usually means twin flame, soulmate, some shit like that. Eight of Cups. Somebody's walking away from a twin flame connection. Ten of Pentacles, and they're going to the Ten of Pentacles. Page of Swords. Yeah, you could. I feel like you and this playboy had a twin flame connection, but you're walking away from it, or they're walking away to somebody else. Six of Wands. Yes, you're gonna come out victorious. He tried to break you and belittle you, but you walking right out that cycle.
Are you done?
Okay, We got the Two of Swords. So yeah, somebody's at a crossroads about what though? A king, the King of Swords. So either you trying to choose between two people, or okay, with a king. No, I feel like you trying to choose what to say to this person. So you're confused of how to confront this person or what to say to this person, but the Nine of Cups. But okay, Four of Cups. Okay, Nine of Cups to Four of Cups. You're losing. Somebody's losing feelings for something. Six of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person gonna try to buy you. Like this person could have hella money, but like they're toxic. They're gonna try to buy you back. Try to throw that money in your face. So it's just like I don't care how much money you make. If you're toxic and you abuse me, no, I'm not dealing with you. And you need to do the same thing. Like you know, or you could be like this. I don't know. Justice. Okay, y'all could be married, but justice will be served. Um, I'm also getting two though. Somebody could be a judge. Okay. I be getting so much messages. I don't even be knowing. I'm like, oh, but this is North Node and Libra though. That could have been you. That Justice card. But I got that somebody is in cahoot. Are you like? Is somebody juggling between somebody that is a judge and is a judge one of your options? Like North Node and Libra. 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 Five of Pentacles. Okay, being homeless, being broke, Queen of Cups. But somebody's making an offer. Somebody could be it could be as mundane as somebody's feeding the homeless. But Queen of Wands. So two queens. It could be two women that's feeding the homeless. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, you're bringing fortune to somebody that is unfortunate. Or this is being done to you, the devil, though. What? King of Cups. Is this like a false organization? Like where they act like they feeding them? Somebody could be vlogging about feeding the homeless, but really they just doing it for attention. This person could really be the devil. They could be trying to come off like they're this big humanitarian, emotional person that cares about the world. They're just doing it for clout. Could be. What's the devil card? Spirit, what is the devil card? What's the devil card? What is the devil card? Oh shit, Ten of Cups. Two cards fell out. Ten of Cups, Four of Swords, and the Lovers. So I feel like there is a couple, or this could be an addiction. You could have an addiction to somebody you're in a relationship, or you could be codependent on somebody you're in a relationship with. But I'm also getting to that there's a couple that acts like they're the Ten of Cups, and really they're the devil. They're not. They can't stand each other, or they the Four of Swords though. I feel like this person drains you. The Four of Swords, yeah. Somebody is draining. Something like that. Clarify it. Yes, somebody's acting like they're happy in a relationship. They're not. They're definitely not. Somebody could be a gossiper. Right. Two of Swords. Six of Wands. I feel like either way, you have two choices between something, but either choice is a win-win. Nine of Wands, which you're blocking, you're being guarded. Knight of Swords. You don't trust this person. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you feel like you're confused. Knight of Cups. You feel like you feel like they're all bark but no bite. Like they don't, like they talk a good game. You feel like somebody talks a good game. Knight of Wands, Playboy. Three of Wands. Ten of Cups. You're waiting on a Ten of Cups from a Knight. Eight of Pentacles. Emperor. Somebody is a boss. Somebody is an entrepreneur. Temperance. Page of Cups. Oh, I'm getting so drained. Ooh, the devil again. Something is toxic. What? Shit. Somebody really wants to spill the tea on somebody. Somebody may be getting exposed. Somebody wants to expose somebody. What's the devil card? What's the devil card? What is the devil card? Yeah, some Libra or some lady that comes off as very, abundant and all that. She's toxic. She's really the devil tarot card. She causes disruptions in people's lives. She's a um she could be one of those people that's just like, what you doing? Where you at? Why you take 2 minutes to call me back? Why you ain't call me back at why you it's 5 o'clock. Why you call me back at 5:01 instead of 5 o'clock? Like she seemed like one of them. Like somebody just like it got a sun card, the death card, yeah. Somebody was acting like some couple was acting like this and they're not truly happy. And that's coming to an end. Well, I hope that resonated, North Node and Libra. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.